Hello friends, my name is Nitin and I am here to tell you about a program where you can get free income without making any type of investment. As I already talked to you, it's about the promotion, it's about the subscriptions. If I tell you, you need to do the promotion of the website, you need to do the promotion of the channels in order to earn the money. There are four ways in which you can earn this money. I have already sent this link to you and you have logged in into this link, and that's why I have made this video for you, because everything is not possible to explain, but while watching it will be easy for you to get to know that what exactly needs to be done and how we can earn the money without investing a single penny. Okay, so let's start it. As you guys have already logged in with this account, you will be able to see the screen which is in front of you right now. In the same way, if you logged in into your laptop, and even you can log in into your mobile screen also. So first the dashboard, and dashboard will tell you that on which level you are right now and what type of incomes do you have. The first income is roles. As you can see, the roles is the first income. Second is the invitation. Third is the smart contracts, and fourth is the watching the videos. Okay, so there are four ways through which you can make your income on a daily basis. So let's go for the roles. First is roles. You need to go to time to roll, go to free, and it's a luck that if you roll it, then on which roll it will be getting stopped, it's your luck. And you can see here are the lucky numbers, and according to the lucky numbers you will be getting the grams. So let's roll it. It's rolling and enrolling, and now my lucky number was, it's 965 and I have won 0.1 grams. So this is the first income I am talking about. Let's go to dashboard again, and there is an invitation is something that I will be going to the referrals, and you can copy this link and you can send to your friends, to your relative, and in order you need to do the same thing that I am doing for you right now. You need to explain each and everything, and they need to do on this daily basis to make their income. Okay, copy this, provide the link to them, they will enroll it with the Gmail Google account, and they will work in the same way as you are working. Third comes the smart contract. Smart contracts, you can see it is over here. When you click on the smart contracts, it's a project based contracts. As I told you, it's a promotion website in which you need to promote their projects, in which you need to promote their videos, in which you need to promote their channels. So in this, right now I have subscribed to all of the projects, you can see, but later on it will come over here that the project has a new project has came. You need to take that project and then you need to click on sign in, and then it's all done. You will be receiving 0.5 grams for each of the projects you sign. Okay, and the last option is the videos. The video section is over here. You need to watch, you can see there are various this is a video that I have inserted. It has been rejected, but you cannot insert the video like this because I was just trying it. You cannot do such of the things. Okay, because this is a website which I created and I was doing some manipulations in it. So no need to worry about this, leave this as well. I am trying to right now make this website more and more good so that you can earn in a very good manner, but leave it right now. In the video section you will be able to see many videos in which you need to watch it. Like if I click on the watch, you can see right now the 60-second time frame had started. Now this 60 seconds you need to look this video. If you want to look, if you want to learn, if you want to know that how you can earn the money, then you should look into this, right? If you don't want to look, if you can understand by my video, then it's very good for you, but you need to run this video minimum 1 minute to earn 0.1 grams for each and every video. And this all things you need to do on a daily basis. Why? Because if you want to earn a money, if you want something to earn, then you need to do some hard work. You need to give minimum half an hour in a day so that you can earn a money, and these are all the four things that you need to do on a daily basis so that you can earn the money, right? And one more thing I would like to tell you is that it's not a one day process. If you think that you are working right now and you think by tomorrow or by day after tomorrow you want to earn like $500 or like $1,000, or in India currency I talk like 70,000 or 80,000. No, man, if you want such thing, then you need to invest it for that, right? Because if you want something it for free, then you need to have some patience. But if you want something which is free, and then you need to have some patience to get that money, right? It's not a one day process, but you, if you work hard, then easily you can earn around $1,000, around $1,000 easily, or 70,000 in a month easily. So be patient, do what I am trying to tell you, what I am trying to explain you, and everything will be good then. Okay, so this is video I watched, and you can see watch is done. So these are the four ways you need to do. Then you can go to the dashboard. You can see the how many grams, because this concept works on the grams. Every spin, every watching the video, every referral, and every smart contracts will give you some of the grams. Every referral will give you 5 grams. Every contract will give you 0.5 grams. Every video will give you 0.1 grams, and every spinner will be depend upon your luck, right? So now the point comes about the withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal is 500 grams, that you need to have minimum for 500 grams in your wallet. Then only you can withdraw it. You can withdraw it by Bitcoin, MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, American, Payoneer, Payeer. You can see if I withdraw 500 grams, the value is $1096 dollars. And if you calculate around in Indian currency or in other currency, you can calculate it by yourself, and you will be able to know at the how much you are earning, right? So this is a basic program, and guys, this is a small program. I have told you I will be telling you more and more and more to use. Okay, I will be making one channel for you guys in some days, and then you need to subscribe on these channels, and then you will be getting the free videos where you can earn the money without investing any a single pie. Okay, and in future if you want some part-time work like data entry work, copy paste work, spelling type work, so I can give you, I have that projects, but that are the paid projects. But I know the market is not good, you will not trust me. That's why right now it's free for you. Okay guys, let's meet after some time, and let me prepare something good for you more, so that you can earn more. Okay, thank you so much. And till the time, if you have any issues, then you can ping me back on the messenger, because we met on the messenger. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you.